Good morning, my name is Fabio Villa, CEO of matica, and it is a pleasure for me to be here and to welcome you all. We are here today for this event in cooperation with Seeq under the sign of innovation. So before starting the day, we, together with Ronnie, wanted to give you some information quickly about our two companies. matica is a leader in data transformation, real-time management of data. It has 3 headquarters in Italy: Milan, Turin, and Rome. And besides its important partnership with Seeq, we are also Aviva OSIsoft partners, and we have 20 years of experience with PI Systems, with the PI System, the industrial standard for real-time data management. And we also have our own product, our asset, to view real-time data, which is Digital Twin, AWT. Our main sectors are the pharmaceutical sector, the energy and utility sector, oil and gas, chemistry, and food and beverage. So I'm going to leave the floor now to Engineer Di Bartolo, who's also a moderator for this event. And I would like to give him my congratulations for a technical presentation of the company, and then we're going to leave a few minutes to Ronnie for his presentation of Seeq, and then we can start our day. Thank you. Thank you, Fabio, and good morning, everyone. So it's a pleasure to see this full room. It's been a pleasure for me to organize this event in the last few months. Can you hear me? Okay. So just a few words about who matica is. For those who don't know us, matica has been operating for 20 years on the PI System platform, so it's been for us a project generator, and PI System has always been a way to apply different solutions and apps. We also deal with data integration, software development, advanced analytics for the last few years, especially with Seeq. And advanced analytics are useful to extract real-time data related to predictive analysis. Now, just to give you a quick overview of what we do and our key benefits, we developed a series of objects and vision widgets for PI Vision, which had great outcomes and results. And the goal was to enrich web components of the PI System with visual objects. We also presented a product for energy mass balance sheets to make reconciliation concepts on the model of the PI System. And as we mentioned before, another important product that we use is the asset virtualization tool, the AVT. So it's basically something that we use to support actual operations improvement and try out line configurations before starting a new production. Basically, other than seeing real-time data, we also view more information such as alternative procedures, integrated data from other platforms, other systems. Now, what are we going to do today? This is our agenda. It's pretty intense. We have a series of presentations, not only from Seeq, but also from other partners, such as AWS and A2A, and basically our clients. So we'll have an A2A presentation with you, Unichel, and then we will conclude with Eli Lilly and EP Produzione. So I'm going to now leave the floor to Ronnie. Thank you.
Okay, good morning everyone. Warm welcome to everyone. Pleasure to be here. My name is Ronnie Baines, responsible for the Seeq business here in EMEA. So I wanted to share a few words with you as we begin the session today. So of course, welcome to everyone. This session, as you know, has been brought together in collaboration with our partner in matica. So firstly, thank you to matica for all of the effort and support in getting us all here today. I'm looking forward to a tremendous event as we go forward. So, some of you may already be familiar with Seeq. Some of you perhaps are here to learn a little bit more about Seeq. So, I didn't want to go into too many details, but just to share our vision, what Seeq is and where do we see ourselves really going towards our future. What is our North Star? So, our vision is really to help accelerate a modern and sustainable manufacturing future for all of the different industry verticals that we work in. So as you go through the sessions today, you know, think of this as our vision, and you'll hear more about that in the next session with Jess and Andrea. They'll go into many more details of how we're doing that exactly. But also, you know, the agenda that's been curated today has really got, you know, some really fascinating presentations from end users. We've got some kind of demonstration time, and of course the opportunity to network. So you know, please, you know, make the most of it. We want you to go away from this event empowered with knowledge of how to apply Seeq and really gain more information and value out of your data. I also wanted to briefly mention Connect. So have any of you heard of Connect or Seeq Connect? Okay, so maybe a couple here at the front maybe. Okay, so lots of opportunities. So Connect is our user forum. So the user forum that we do on an annual basis. It's developed with users in mind, and the majority of the presentations are from end users, really highlighting the value that they're getting from Seeq. So we had an event in May of this year in San Diego in the US. The theme was Catalyze, and you can see from some of the numbers, you know, over 300 attendees, 99 different organizations, a really interesting gathering of industry professionals highlighting how they're using Seeq to unlock a lot of value into their business and help them run more effectively and efficiently. It was also the first year that we had some customer awards. So we ran a whole customer award program. It was actually a European customer, SBM Offshore, I think, is also present. They were actually awarded congratulations again. So they were actually awarded the Sustainability Award. So really good representation from the region, but a really good event that we all took a lot of value from. Next year we're going to be in Miami in May. So registration's open in December. We would love to see, you know, lots of you there. If you need more information about this as a date, please reach out. But yeah, we're looking forward to having an even bigger event next year. Okay. And finally, it is Milan Fashion Week, as we all know. Busy, hard to get a hotel, hard to find a restaurant as well. So in the spirit of Milan Fashion Week, in the spirit of communication, I think what we do is when we've done these events, we've done a number of these events over the last few months, and each time we do one, we kind of understand, you know, how do we make it more impactful for the attendees? You know, what can we do that's better? And one of those things is you know, communication. So we want you to be really interactive. Like, ask as many questions as you want. We want you to gain as much value from this day as you can. So I think the one takeaway we've had is, you know, be interactive. You know, ask questions, whatever it may be. You know, work with us and network, of course. So in the spirit of Milan Fashion Week, in the spirit of what we're trying to achieve today, we've also got a bit of a contribution. We've got some Seeq socks, so those of you that are going to ask questions during the day, you're going to receive some of these fantastic limited edition Seeq socks. So, yeah, so we don't have too many of them, but of course, you know, enjoy them. Whoever just received one, so yeah. So yeah, thank you very much. You know, great to see so many faces here, and looking forward to a very good, productive, valuable day.